Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Automotive Technician online course. I'm excited to introduce you to our online training program designed specifically for aspiring automotive technicians who want to learn the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in the automotive industry. Our online course is designed to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of automotive systems, from the basics of engine repair to the complexities of electrical and computer systems. Our courses are self-paced, meaning you can learn at your own speed and on your own schedule. We believe that hands-on experience is critical to learning automotive repair, so we provide our students with access to virtual labs and simulations and opportunities for in-person training and apprenticeships. Our courses are also designed and taught by experienced automotive technicians, ensuring that students learn the most up-to-date industry practices and techniques. Our program is ideal for anyone who is interested in pursuing a career in the automotive industry, whether you're a beginner or an experienced technician looking to expand your skills. Our courses are also a great option for those who are interested in DIY automotive repair. Thank you for considering our Automotive Technician online course. We're excited to help you achieve your career goals in the automotive industry. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest course offerings and industry news.